Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to get Instagram on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in Store. Best match should come back with Microsoft Store. Go ahead and open that up. Up at the top in the search field, type in Instagram. Go ahead and search for it. One of the best results should be the Instagram app, so go ahead and open that up and select the free button. And now you should be able to go ahead and open it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.